Video, I'm going to show you how to do an acid fast staining. Basically, some bacteria have a waxier layer, which is like the mycolic acid in their cell walls, and that waxy layer makes it difficult to gram stain and produce like a gram variable result, which is like a mix of purple and red. So the acid fast technique uses steam to melt the mycolic layer so the cell can be stained easier. And basically, you stain with carbofusion, which is a primary stain. Let it sit for 10 minutes on top of the steam. Remove from the steam, rinse the slide, apply acid alcohol like 10 to 15 drops. Let it run down over the smear. Rinse with water, stain with methylene blue for 30 to 45 seconds, and that's the counter stain, and it's used after the decolorizer. You rinse it with water and blot the slide with bibulous paper. So basically, like acid fast bacteria will be bright pink in color, and non-acid fast bacteria will be blue. So the first thing you want to do is just like disinfect your entire area and put the bacterial smear slide on a beaker of boiling water. Put a piece of bibulous paper on top of the slide and add the primary stain, carbofusion, on top of the slide and let it sit for like 10 minutes. So acid fast bacteria will stain bright pink. Then you have to remove the slide from the steam and let it cool on the staining tray. Remove the bibulous paper. Over the staining tray, just rinse at an angle, not directly over the slide either. Set it down on the stain tray. Put 15 to 10 drops of acid alcohol on the slide, and don't directly apply over the smear. Basically, decolorizer removes the primary stain from the non-acid fast cells, and then put it on over the stain tray and put methylene blue for 30 to 45 seconds, and this is the counter stain, and it'll be used to stain the non-acid fast bacteria blue. And then I have to rinse the slide with water again, blot it dry with bibulous paper, and then you are ready to examine your slide under a microscope at 1000x magnification, or you can store in a slide box. So your final step is just disinfecting the entire area, and your expected results are acid fast cell walls consist of a smaller peptidoglycan layer, and they contain mycolic acid, so they resist the decolorizer with the alcohol and they stain red. And the non-acid fast cell walls do not have mycolic acid and will stain blue.